Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Please subscribe if you're into lookbook videos and thrifting videos. I'm really all about that. So today I'm giving you 21 outfits for going back to school. I know a lot of people are excited to go back to school. Well, not everyone, but at least come up with some fire fits and dress up again. I actually graduated in August of last year, so I'm not going back to school this time around, but this is what I'll realistically wear if I did go back to school in 2021. A lot of these outfits are using just staples. I feel like everyone has already in their closet, and I think that's the whole point of lookbook videos like this. I know students are in a budget and we can't just buy everything last minute for going back to school. So a lot of these things that I came up with is using staples, things that you already probably own in your closet, and yeah, just reamping it and making it different, make it look cute. So with all that being said, let's get into the video.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. While I love you, well, my girl, you see, I thought the world of you, but just don't stay, baby, yeah.
talking about the way I do what I do. Heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. You know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you want me too. Now it's me and me. I've been waiting, think I wanna make them move. Baby, tell me if you like it, tell me if you like it. I've been waiting, think I wanna make them move. Baby, tell me how you like it. Baby, I'll love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear first, relax and let me make that move. It's our secret, we'll keep it between me and you.
All right, that's a wrap. Bye.